Hi, hello, and welcome everyone for this new session. My name is P. Navinjas. I am working as assistant professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the new professional elective paper CME 388 Industrial Safety in the Anna University syllabus. So the first unit it is about industrial safety, and in this industrial safety topic we are going to discuss about the accidents and how it causes and what are the types of accident and what are the results of accidents and how to control the accidents in industry. And also we are going to study about the mechanical and electrical hazards and its types and prevention of these hazards, and we are going to discuss about the main points or salient features of Factory Act 1948 for the industrial workers. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss about the accident. So what is meant by accident? Here in this session we are going to discuss about the accident. First we should know about what is meant by accident. So how accident occurs? It is an unplanned and uncontrolled event which causes or is likely to cause an injury. Mostly these accidents are unexpected and unpredictable in the industry areas. So accidents may cause result of some unsafe activity in the working condition. It may create an injury for the worker or damage to the property or plant or products or the environment protection losses or increased the liabilities. Now what is meant by industrial accidents? So it is defined as the event suddenly occurs when one or number of employees or workers placed in a plant. So here there are some of the primary causes of industrial accidents are there. One is inadequate training, and the second one is equipment and mechanical failures, and the third one is unsafe working condition, and the fourth one is neglect of safety measures, and the fifth one human error, and the last one is unsafe act. So these are the causes of industrial accidents. So the worker or the plant user should have a proper training about the work and the machineries, so we can avoid the industrial accidents. The second one, the equipment and machinery failures. Because of the equipment and machinery failure, the accidents may occur. So we should maintain or having a proper maintenance for the machinery. And the third one is unsafe working condition. The working area should be safe in every time, so we can able to get a safe working condition. Otherwise, if it is not properly safe to or the proper working condition for the person, so it may cause of unsafe working conditions. So the another one, the main point is neglect of safety measures. So if we neglect the safety measures, the accidents may occur. And the last one is human error. Some persons may produce some errors. Because of that error, the accidents may happen, and also they may do some unsafeful acts. Because of that unsafeful acts, the accidents may occur. So what are the types of accidents? There are different types of accidents are there. So first type is based on the length of recovery. So according to the length of recovery, the accidents may occur. So in the length of recovery, first one is first aid accidents and second one lost time accidents. In the first phase, first aid accidents and lost time accidents. So what is by first aid accidents? The worker receives first aid at planned hospital and then return to the job. So if we get an accident, we can get the first aid in the planned hospital itself, and we can able to return to the job on the premises. Then what is my lost time accidents? Here the worker gets any accidents, so he may lose a day work or a shift work, so it is called as lost time accidents. So for this, the compensation is given to the employee by employer for the severity of the accidents. So another one, the process is according to the nature of injury. So this accidents is classified because of the nature of injury. In nature of injury, there are three different types. One is fatal accidents, temporary disablement, and the third one is permanent disablement. So what is my fatal accidents? The accidents that could result in the death of the injured worker. So fatal accidents is nothing but if a worker could result in the death, so it is called as fatal accidents. So death could occur on the spot due to the unbearable injuries. The second one, temporary disablement. So if the accident occur to the employee, so he gets some injury, so he can got okay, he start the work again. The third one is permanent disablement. So if the worker gets an accident, that completely reduce the earning capacity of an employee, so further he can't able to work regularly for in the premises. So what are the causes of accidents? There are two different causes of accidents. One is technical cause and another one is human cause. So what are the causes of that? Technical cause is related to the accidents may occur because of the technical work, or maybe it is related to the machineries or equipments. Because of that, some accidents may occur. So these are called as technical cause, and the human cause of accidents are related to the worker who got an accident. So some of the mechanical factors are there for the accidents. One is unsafe mechanical design and construction. Two is hazardous arrangement. Third one is improper machine guarding. Fourth one is defective device, and the fifth one is improper material handling, and the last one is leaking. So if there is any unsafe mechanical design in the construction, it may create an accident, and also the hazardous arrangement is also create an accident. And improper machine guarding, the machine is not covered with a proper guarding, so it may create an accident. And if the defective devices, we are using the defective devices, it may create an accident. And also the material handling is not properly, we are using the material handle here we are not using the material properly in the working premises. So what are the environmental factors? So in the environmental factors, too low and too high temperature cause shivering and sweating respectively, and too high humidity cause the fatigue and drowsiness for the employee, and defective illumination to the employee, so inadequate rest for the employee, and poor housekeeping in the working premises, and noise, bad odor and flash coming from nearby machinery equipment or process, etc. So some of the personal factors may create an accident. One is age, another one is health, lack of knowledge and skill related to the work, and attitude towards the work, emotional instability such as jealousy, and mental worries, non-use of safety device, working and unsafe speed, improper use of tools. How we are going to control the accidents? There are three main methods used to control the accidents. One is engineering, second one is education and training, and third one is enforcement. These three methods, sometimes we call it as 3 E's of safety. So what is meant by engineering? To safe area in the premises, mechanical revisions or modifications to eliminate existing unsafe conditions, and in some cases to prevent unsafe acts. So design of machine guards, automobile brakes, traffic signal, pressure relief valves, and handrails are varied examples of safety engineering at work, and in some cases to prevent unsafe acts. So we have an proper education training in this industrial working premises. So it is the most effective tool in preventing accidents by human causes. Through adequate instruction, personal gain, useful knowledge, and development of safety attitudes. Training is a particularly important accident prevention control, and it gives each employee a personal safety tool by developing habits of such safe practice and operation. So the third one is enforcement. Strict enforcement of safety practices is necessary. So if we enforce the safety practices, we can able to reduce the accidents, and no organized accident prevention can be successful without effective enforcement, because accidents are frequently the direct result of violations of safety principles. A direct result of violations of safety principles. Thank you one and all for this session. So from this session is over, we'll continue in the next section about the mechanical hazardous and electrical hazardous. Thank you.